Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another style try on haul. Today we're doing Shein. Okay, y'all like flipped over my last Shein haul and I loved it. It was so exciting. It was so fun to see y'all enjoy the items that I picked up. So we are back with another one. This isn't as like spring break vibes. This is more just like my everyday casual. There are a lot of warm weather pieces in here, but these aren't just geared towards vacation. So like always, I'm going to show you the pieces and show you at least one or two different ways that I would style it. I do this as a way to decide whether it's gonna stay in my collection or not. I have a lot of clothes. I love trying new pieces, but I wanna make sure that they really fit in my wardrobe and they're not just like there and I never wear them, because I'm sure we can all relate to doing that. So as always, everything will be linked down below, sizes that I used or that I picked out for myself, anything also that I used to style these outfits that aren't Shein, those will all be linked down below as well, or something similar. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you want to continue seeing videos like this. I do have an Everlane one coming next week, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that. And I will link at the end of the video a playlist of all of the recent ones that I've done so you can binge them and find some cute new clothes. So let's actually jump in and start with accessories. So I grabbed another pair of sandals. I fell in love with my brown sandals that I got from them last time, and I wanted to get the exact same pair in black, but they didn't have them. So I grabbed these. I liked these. These are so squishy, like so squishy. They've got gold like little ball detailing on them. I will say that this part on my foot is a little bit big, but it's nothing where it's like uncomfortable or can't walk in or anything like that, or like huge. It's just larger here, but I guess it would be more universal for all people. But nonetheless, I really like these. I was looking for more of a dressier sandal. I am a Birkenstock girl through and through, so I find that I don't have a ton of dressy sandals, so I wanted something a little more dressy, and these hit the mark, so those are a keeper. I picked up more earrings, and I loved the earrings that I grabbed last time from Shein, so I grabbed 3 pairs this time. This first one is this little emerald square. These are the cheapest looking out of all of them, I find, but they're still super cute. They've got that drop chain look to them. I find that these are gonna be just really pretty with a very basic, like black, like a black top or a white top, and you just throw these on for a night out, and I think they're gonna be more of like an elevated look to it. I think they're beautiful. These next ones are so fun. These are like a color blocked sort of geometrical themed earring. I don't know, I think they're really cute. I think they're gonna be really pretty for summer. And I wear a lot of really basic tops in colors, so I think adding these to my earrings collection will be really pretty. And I'm trying to grow my jewelry collection. I don't have a ton of pieces, so I'm trying to grow it, and Shein has some really affordable ones, and I don't have super sensitive ears or anything like that, so if you do, you might need to be careful about that. But these I have found are actually 16 karat, 14 karat, oh, I don't know. They're nicer quality, essentially. These are little like huggy earrings with like stones all around them. So cute. You know, I'm not a biggest fan of these like plastic backers, so I'm just gonna go on Amazon and buy like a bunch of like actual backers that look like, you know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about. I don't actually know what the term of them is called, but these are cute. Such good quality. Absolutely love these. Have nothing like them. So happy that I have them in my wardrobe. We're gonna start this video out different as well. We're gonna go with product or 2 items that I didn't even try on because they were complete and epic fails. I'm just keeping it real with you guys. This first top I wanted to love so bad, but it was way too cropped. Like at the bottom of my bra too cropped, and I'm not even gonna try it on. It's this knit little t-shirt. It is just so stinking cropped, but it's really cute and I wanted to love it. It's like a sweater knit detail, but it just didn't work out for me. So this one is most definitely going back, and I'm pretty sure I ordered a medium in it to hopefully make it longer. I did, but it didn't look, so that was a fail. Also, so is this little pink satin skirt. I love this. It looks so cute. It's so pretty. I love the color. It is so short my booty cheeks hang out. Like, absolutely not. But if you don't care, then go for it. It's so adorable. I love this curved hem at the bottom. Hikes up a little bit on the legs. I would just like never be able to wear this and feel comfortable, but it's so pretty. So I just need to find a longer one. I'm thinking more of like an A-line skirt instead of something like a mini tight skirt, but it's really cute and I love this pink satin. I just didn't even bother styling it because I knew that it was absolutely not going to work out for me. But you know what I mean? You win some, you lose some. So those are two items that did not work out for me. Moving along, I got a bunch of dresses and things. I honestly went through my collection last year and got rid of a lot of dresses. And so I wanted to add a couple more pieces into my wardrobe this year. This first one is like the epitome of comfy. I picture this like over the top of a bathing suit, throw it on to go to grab like lunch or something like that, or like after the pool, whatever the case may be. I love this. It's a very like knitted material, but it's thin. It's not like super thick and heavy. I love the little wooden button details. It's shorts. So cute. Long sleeve romper. Absolutely love this. It's got little pockets in the front. I guess if you want to put something in them, you can. I feel like you can make this more like daytime with a pair of sneakers, or super beachy with flip-flops and a beach hat and things like that. But this is just really cute and I absolutely love it. And they come in lighter colors too, which would obviously be more like summer appropriate. This is black, but I don't care. I still really love it. But I believe they have like nude and white as well, which would be so cute. So check those out. Okay, this dress I wanted to love, and I do really like it. I love anything blue and white stripes. I feel like it's very flattering on my skin tone, with my blue eyes, with my blonde hair. I've just always been a sucker for blue and white striped items. So summery, so nautical, all the things. I can never have too much in my wardrobe. Never, ever, never, ever. Like I have so much blue and white stripes, but I do not care. I keep adding more because I love it. This dress was so cute. It was like a tank dress, but the arms, the way they were cut, were perfect. I would say it's just a tiny bit too short. It's so lightweight. It is that like fleshy material. It's super lightweight, not see-through, but I find that it's just a tiny bit too short. So I would say size up with this, especially if you want to layer it over a denim jacket or anything like that. I would just say size up and you would be fine. And that's probably what I'm gonna do in my next order this in a larger size, just to help make sure that the length is a bit longer. I would say that's the only qualm that I've had, and I will show you another dress that's the exact same way. This dress, when I first got it out of the pack, I was like, oh my god, that's gonna be so see-through, and it kind of is. It's not like insanely see-through. This dress is so cute. Again, it is a color blocked blue and white striped with a white panel dress. It's a t-shirt dress. It has the tie around the waist. So cute. Way too short. Too short, too tight in my arms. I just need a medium in it, too tight in the bust, all the things. But it's really cute, an idea. So if you want this, again, size up. Do not size down. But I'm going to be exchanging that for a bigger size. Speaking of a bigger size, I hauled this in my last haul. And I got it in a small, which was my true to size, and I found that it was too big. So I grabbed it in a small, an extra small, and it fits tight. Like it's borderline too tight, but I did eat a breakfast this morning, like a big old breakfast. So, but I'm always gonna eat when I wear clothes, so I don't know why I make that case, but nonetheless, this is beautiful. I love this dress. I'm happy that I got it in an extra small. So yes, I do exchange and get pieces in the right size if I do love them. I don't just return them. So this was too cute and not to pick up again. I love this. I think this is just such a pretty dress. It's like very, very lightweight, not the nicest quality, but not see-through, and adorable. You can be the judge of it. I think it's super cute. I grabbed this little black dress. I love baby doll dresses. I think that they're just so comfortable. And I would say, yeah, just like my favorite form of dress. I love these little tie at the top. This is like a very like stiff cotton material, but I feel like the more you wash it, the nicer and softer it will get. It's cute. Tie sleeve or tie little straps at the top. I feel like you can wear this like over the top of a bathing suit and it would be just super cute. And yeah, I love baby doll dresses. They're super forgiving. I feel really comfortable in them. So yeah, it's not too short. This one's not. And you can adjust it obviously with the straps to adjust its length to a degree, but overall did not have an issue with shortness for this one, and I really, really liked it. And I love a good basic black little baby doll dress. I think it's cute. I think this is my last dress that I picked up. This was a fail. This was an absolute fail. I loved the print. I thought it was fun. I will just say, and I didn't show it in the video, but I couldn't wear a bra with it, which isn't the biggest deal, but the bottom was so loose that my like bottom boob just wanted to keep falling out. So I had to adjust it every time I like changed outfits and tried things or tied a shoe or anything. The sleeves were insanely too tight. This bungee, I've talked about it before. I hate when this like cuts into my arm circulation. It's just not comfortable and flattering. Besides that, I love the shape of the dress. I love the little cutout in the stomach area. I think it's cute. I love the tieredness of it. I like the print. It's like very vacation-y, but I still think it's super cute. But overall, like the boob area just did not work for your girl. It was very tight, but also it was like very tight up here, but not tight enough down at the bottom. Again, I didn't show you because my YouTube would remove my video. So just trust me on that one. I would say that's a hard pass. This little skirt, so cute. I struggled honestly with ways to style this, but I found that the little green bodysuit looked super cute with it. So you could get other bodysuits. You could do it with a white bodysuit as well. Pink bodysuit, a green bodysuit would look super cute with a denim jacket. That's how I styled it. I love these little ruffly mini skirt things. I love them in plain colors as well, styling them graphic tees, very unexpected but cute. Yeah, overall I like this. It's cute. It has a zipper detail in the back. It fit very well, and yeah, it does have the little hook and eye closure at the top, which I find is super helpful for like getting into and zippering it up tight. And I also find just a nice detail when you're getting something for a very affordable price. Love this little ruffle at the bottom. Feel like it's very fun and flirty, and it is double lined, so it does help with its see-throughness. It's not like completely like see-through, but it's not see-through. So keep that in mind. I don't care. Okay, let's go into this little jumpsuit situation. This is a linen overall jumpsuit thing. It's got pockets. It's very big, very roomy, but that's what I love about it, you guys. I think this is so cute. I know not overalls are not everybody's material or like thing, and it's like it's a weird material. It's linen. It is a linen material, but it doesn't like wrinkle up, which I found was nice. Like I bent down to like put on shoes and things, and I didn't find that it wrinkled, so that was nice. Cute. I love everything about this. I don't know, it's just very like throw on, you're comfy, you can run around, you can do anything in this little jumpsuit thing. And I love navy blue. Navy blue is one of my favorite colors, and I find that when I worked for Abercrombie back in the day, we could like only wear navy blue. That was like the color. You couldn't wear anything else. So I like got burnt out from it for a while, and now I'm back into it. And this is such a cute piece. I love it. I would style it with a white t-shirt. You could also do a tank. I didn't show it with a tank, but you could do it with like a tank, like a muscle tank. Would be really cute. But yeah, navy goes with just about any color, and I found it super cute. And you could throw it over a bathing suit too, and it would work. So yeah. Speaking of bathing suit, I got this little guy, and y'all, I like Shein's bathing suits. They're cute. I have to get a large. Am I a large? No, I'm really not. So I don't know how it's a very inclusive size range for everybody. The bottoms, I probably could have gone with the medium with the bottoms, but the top would have been insanely small. So, and I don't even have that. I don't know how the average person shops on Shein if you're not like a toothpick, but nonetheless, love this print, love the green, super cute. Honestly, I loved it for this little sarong thing. I don't have swimsuits like that, and it's so cute, and it all came together, and I loved it. It's like stretchy, it's see-through, it's cute, and I love it. This top, it works, but it doesn't work. The like, this is a large, I still can't get over that. The like cup thingies are just too small. But then this part at the top where it like fits into your boob, I don't know, if you've got like perky, like pre-mom boobs, then you probably will have no issue with it, but I don't. But it's cute still. I really love this suit. Yeah, I don't know, I still really love it. I still will probably wear it, but not like when we're in Mexico and it's just Scott and I, but it's cute. It's cute. It's still cute, so cute. But keep in mind, Shein swimsuits, you cannot return, exchange, anything like that. And I do find that you do need to size way the heck up. So yeah. This is my favorite shirt that I've purchased in a super long time. I love, are we surprised? Blue stripes, right? But it has this orange ribbing on the sleeves as well as the neck. So cute. So freaking cute. It's a sweater material, it's lightweight. I did get this in a small, but it is oversized, but that's what I wanted. I didn't want a super tight shirt, so yeah. Oh, so cute. Absolutely obsessed with that. This I wanted to love. It's just a little too cropped for my liking. I fell back in love with yellow. I love to wear yellow. And I wanted this little sweater tank thing. I think it's super cute, but it's just too cropped. I would like it to be just a bit longer so I can tuck it in shorts or jeans, but I can't with this one. But if you don't care about croppedness, then give it a go. It's super cute, really nice quality, not see-through, and I love this like square neckline. I think it's really cute. Again, if they made a full length one, I would get it. I can't remember, I don't think it showed it on a model, so I wasn't able to see that it is in fact super cropped, but yeah, overall super cute. So if you don't care about croppedness, check it out. I've never owned a pair of like wide leg trousers before, and these were so flattering. Like, I love orange. What am I? I don't know. I love this like literal blood orange, so pretty. These are like a polyester material, not linen, which is okay with me. They don't wrinkle up super bad, which is awesome. You can style this really casual with a linen top or like super sleek with a white bodysuit, which I love this white bodysuit. I wear it all the time. If you do not own it, you need it. They've got pleating in the front, pockets, the length is perfect. You can wear it with sandals. Your pants might drag a little bit, but you could always hem these. It's not that big of a deal. I loved it with heels. So cute. These are awesome. I'm gonna get more trousers. Who am I? I don't know. But I do want a pair of linen trousers, even though they're like a nightmare and wrinkle like crazy. But that's everything, you guys. Those are all the pieces that I picked up. That's everything. That was a lot. I had so much fun, like always, styling these pieces for you guys. I really think that Shein is a fun way to add pieces into your wardrobe for an affordable price without like breaking the bank. And I don't think it's where you should get every single piece of your clothing from, but I do feel like it's a fun way to add, mix and match certain pieces into your wardrobe that are trendy and fun. And I think that trendy, fun clothes are, yeah, cool to add into your wardrobe. So those are my thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, let me know, sound off in the comments down below. What are you gonna check out? What do you like? What do you don't like? And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.